everyone. Let us take one question based on torque, but not system of particles torque. It is a torque due to magnetic field, that is magnetic torque. So magnetic effects of electric current. Again, we will have to use the vector product. What is the torque acting on a current carrying loop is m bar cross b bar, mb sin theta, where theta is angle between m bar and b bar and m is current into area of the loop. So you need to take the direction properly. Take it. One loop is like this at some angle with horizontal or with the field direction. So the field is along horizontal and the surface is placed at some angle theta. Now, so this is the surface and consider one line along it, one line. Now this is the horizontal, that is the field direction, this is theta. Now current is flowing in this direction like this. Now if you take current direction in this way, coming from here and then going here. So what is the magnetic moment direction? Downward. So perpendicular to the surface but downward. So this is m bar, this is b bar. So what is the angle between them? 90 minus theta. Then what is the torque will become? mb sin 90 minus theta, that is mb cos theta. So the main thing what is important is this angle. Then you can take mathematics. Then only you can take the equation properly. Instead of 90 minus theta, if you take theta, then you are wrong. So that's why take care of direction, take care of mathematics. Then if they give the dimension, then you can get the magnetic moment, current into area. If they give numerical values also, you can substitute. Now similarly here if you consider, here again the loop is like this in this plane here. So like this. Now again perpendicular to this one, like this. So this is the magnetic moment direction and this is the field direction. So this is alpha, means this is 90 minus alpha, then this will become alpha. Now the angle between m bar and b bar is how much? Alpha. Then what is the torque will become now? mb sin alpha, where m equal to again current into area. So they will give current, they will give area. Like circular loop means what is the area? Pi r square. If they give radius, current, alpha, everything numerical values, then you will get the numerical value of torque acting on the loop. So what is the orientation of the coil? What is the direction of magnetic field? And what is the direction of magnetic moment? And then you can find the torque acting on the current carrying loop. So whenever a current carrying coil places inside the presence of, in the presence of external magnetic field, uniform magnetic field, it experiences a torque given by mb sin theta.